With a variety of Garmin Tacx indoor trainers available, there's no excuse to ever stop cycling. And today we want to help you decide which one may be the best fit for you. Bring the experience of riding outdoors, indoors, and crush your training goals with our Tacx NeoBike Plus all-in-one smart bike. Investing in a smart bike is an excellent choice if you have a dedicated location in your home to train year-round. Ready whenever you need it, the NeoBike Plus was designed to be fully adjustable to better match the fit of your outdoor bike, including integrated shifting and customization options to match your bike gear set. And if you happen to have multiple riders in the house, it's more convenient to make a few little adjustments rather than swapping bikes on and off a standard trainer. Immerse yourself with the simulated feeling of riding on different road surfaces and lose yourself in the moment as you spin those gears on this extraordinarily quiet smart bike, thanks to innovative Neo technology. And what exactly is Neo technology? Tacx Neo trainers are equipped with a Neo magnet motor drive made up of 32 integrated neodymium magnets. This creates a virtual flywheel that sets these trainers apart from other direct drive trainers that have physical flywheels and those that are belt driven. Benefits of a virtual flywheel vary from less friction and noise to a better overall ride experience. Now, you love what Neo technology has to offer, but your training needs require a little more portability. Then you may be interested in the Tacx Neo 2T or newly announced Neo 3M smart trainers. Both offer similar benefits of the Neo bike when it comes to bringing that outdoor ride experience into your home with the comfort of using your own outdoor bike that you've probably spent a considerable amount of time and resources to match your cycling preferences. If either of these sound like the trainer you're looking for, I highly recommend checking out either of these videos on the channel that not only elaborate further on the trainer's capabilities, but also explain getting them set up. When you're confident you want a direct drive trainer and a Neo is a little outside your budget, the Tacx Flux 2 and Flux S are fully connected smart trainers available with a real flywheel. Both are highly accurate, reliable, and were designed to reduce vibration and noise when compared to our wheel-on trainers. With a well-balanced design, both of these trainers can help ensure maximum stability, whether you're in the mood for an explosive sprint or an intense simulated climb. All of the trainers we've discussed up to this point can connect to your favorite compatible training app, including popular options like Tacx, Zwift, or Trainer Road. With our Tacx training app, you'll be able to see performance data in real time, find free structured workouts, explore a library of high-quality training videos, and more. If you happen to already be the owner of one of our Groovy Edge bike computers, you can connect to a compatible Tacx trainer to do even more, including ride a virtual GPS route and complete workouts from your personalized adaptive training plans. When you're interested in something that's as easy to set up as it is to break down and store, you probably want a wheel-on trainer. The Tacx Boost is an excellent trainer for anyone new to indoor training or simply looking to be more active. It takes as few as 2 simple clicks to get ready to ride with no power required. A 10-pin manual resistance lever provides multiple levels of training, while the actual flywheel offers a smooth, realistic ride feel. Pair it with an optional speed sensor to track speed, distance, and virtual power when training with one of many compatible apps, such as the previously mentioned Tacx training app. And for an indoor training solution that really excels in simplicity, portability, and easy storage, our basic roller trainers may be in your wheelhouse. These trainers allow you to cycle freely, whether you're looking to improve your technique, get in a good workout, or even warm up a bit before a race. They don't require any mounting of the bike, but it may take some practice to find the right balance, and then before long, you could be riding like a pro. We firmly believe that if you never want to stop cycling, you shouldn't have to. And with a variety of Garmin Tacx indoor training options, you can ride virtually anytime, any place, and anywhere. For more information on many of these trainers, check out the other videos linked in the description below or visit Garmin.com.